welcome to English. Today we are going to learn about the sound of the letter Y. This is the letter Y and its sound is Y. Y. So let's say the sound Y 10 times. Y. 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 All right. Let's say some words that starts with Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yatch. Yatch. Yell. Yell. Yes. Yes. Yellow. Yellow. Yoga. Yoga. Yogurt. Yogurt. Yawn. Yawn. Now let's add Y to the words. Now here we have ark. Ark. As we add Y to it, it becomes yak. Yak. Next we have L. L. And as we add Y to it, it becomes yell. Yell. Next we have am. Am. And as we add Y to it, it becomes yam. Yam. Next we have app. App. And as we add Y to it, it becomes yap. Yap. Wow. Now the next one is uck. Uck. And when we add Y to it, it becomes yuck. Yuck. Okay. Now let's see some words with the sound Y in between. Tire. Tire. Rhymes. Rhymes. Soya. Soya. Says. Says. Toys. Toys. Raise. Raise. All right. So today we are learning so many new words about the sound Y. Here you can see 2 worksheets. If you wish, you can do it in your rough notebook. These 2 worksheets are having the words with sound Y. Let's read it once. Yogurt, yak, yarn, yam. And in the next worksheet, you can just trace the letter Y in capital and small. And again, there are 4 words with Y sound that are yak, yam, yolk, and yarn. So I hope you have learned about the sound Y, which belongs to the letter Y today. And it's time to say bye-bye now. Let's see you again in another video. Bye-bye.